start with the video suggests today we got a special one. We have got the electric arcade mini golf, but it used to be exclusive to Smith's, but this is the neon version, so it's going to look a lot better. And just so you can see, we're going to review if the crocodile head bangs like that right now. But you will need 3 times AAA battery.
I am slightly as well.
9-hole course.
I'm intrigued about the crocodile in the middle because it looks as though the mouth and
what about the loop-de-loop?
Yeah, exactly. Well, alright, loop-de-loop. So we have, that looks like the windmill, sort of. Then we have, this is the thing that I was intrigued about. Yeah, well, we have to
it's going to be like double size of the box then. I thought it would only be the size of the box that fit on this table.
Exactly, so I think we might need to go get a bigger table.
No, it'll be alright. You can just... You know what it reminds me of? Do you remember that like old advert with the marble and you make the maze for it? And that's what it reminds me of, the kind of plastic there, or that green on that one. You had like the marble and it went along there. Can't get them out now. There we go.
So start here.
Yeah.
Do I keep going?
Yeah, I'll take my shots after. Oh! Yay! Magnets. Tail on the alligator doesn't work.
We found out the tail doesn't work on the alligator, but hopefully we'll work it out at another time when we've got a little bit more time to work out
It's a lot of
what
fun.
we're doing for putting it together.
You won anyway. We'll probably do more challenges with games and stuff, so you're 1-0 up.
I quite like that
Some...
game. And to be honest, it's a good hours play just between the two of us.
I like the magnets on the end
laugh.
of the clubs so you can get the ball out of the hole.
Yeah.
Apart from that, just remember to take the flags out of the hole before you have your go. What was your favourite hole?
My tricky one would be, if anyone can do this one, you're amazing, because
we changed the loop round. It's still
so
hard to get it on the actual loop. There's a lip on it.
For me, that's the most challenging one. I think my favourite one. I'm sorry, but I have to do like this every time we go to golf. It's always the windmill ones that do me, because you've got that sort of excitement of like, oh my gosh, can I do it? And then at the same time, you're like, oh, I like
the fact, even though the tail doesn't work, the alligator was incorporated into 2 holes. I quite like that one where it goes in the mouth. But side note to this one, that I got a hole in one by accident. So
yeah.
But yeah, it was decent.
Yeah, lovely.
Neon version. What do you think at home? Do you own this? If you want to get a hold of it, they sell it at Ryman's. People have bought them from Smith's cheap before they got rid of them, and are selling them stupid price on eBay, like 30 quid, and you get it for like half that at Ryman's. So that's where you want to get it.
Okay.
But we'll see you next time. Happy New Year whenever this goes out. Hurrah!
What are your reviews on this?
Cherry cola.
She's like, it's good, but it's not pig-sized, is it? It's a bit smaller. Can I eat it?